Hi everyone. Have you ever felt tired for no reason? Maybe you are struggling with mood swings, sudden weight changes, or you're just feeling off. But you have no idea why all of this is happening. Well, here is something interesting. Maybe your hormones are telling you something. Now, before you click away thinking that this is some complicated science stuff, I promise you, this video is going to be different. Today, we are breaking down 5 super simple lifestyle changes that can help you in balancing your hormones naturally. No expensive supplements, no extreme diets. Just 5 simple practical tips that is backed by real science. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into it. Hi, I'm Aditi. I'm certified in food and nutrition and currently pursuing masters in nutrition science. My goal? Well, it is to make people believe that health should be the topmost priority, which can be achieved through simple lifestyle changes in order to ensure overall wellness. First, let's quickly talk about what hormones actually are. And don't worry, I will keep this super simple. So, think of hormones as tiny messengers in your body. They can control things like your energy levels, metabolism, mood, sleep, appetite, and even how stressed you feel. When these hormones are working properly, you feel amazing. But when they get out of balance, that's when you start to feel completely tired, moody, or not just yourself. The good news is your daily lifestyle choices can make a huge difference in keeping those hormones well balanced. So, without wasting any time, let's get into it. Okay, I know. Everyone tells you to sleep more. But here is why sleep is so crucial for your hormones. And trust me, after understanding this, you might get motivated to actually do this. Now, when you sleep, your body regulates two super important hormones, cortisol and melatonin. Think of cortisol as your wake up hormone and melatonin as your sleep hormone. Research shows that these two hormones work together to keep your body's internal clock running smoothly. And that's why, to balance these hormones, you need a proper good quality deep sleep. But what happens when your sleep is poor? Well, your cortisol level will stay high at night, and this can lead to sudden weight gain, constant fatigue, and even trouble with blood sugar control. That's definitely not good, right? So, all you need to do is try to aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep every single night. Try to keep a consistent bedtime schedule, like sleeping and waking up at the same time. Also, try to keep a bedtime routine, like switch off all of your gadgets and your room light 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. You can also keep your bedroom cool as well as dark. And if you have any sleeping issues, then you can try doing some deep breathing exercises like box breathing or 4-7-8 breathing technique. In this way, you can easily keep your sleep quality good as well as deep. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity for your hormonal health. Here is some exciting news. You don't need to become a gym rat to balance your hormones. In fact, simple moderate exercise can do wonders. A groundbreaking study showed that doing 8 weeks of constant moderate exercise can improve insulin sensitivity, especially in younger women. And we all know that insulin is a hormone that controls our blood sugar level. And when it's working properly, then we can feel completely energized and we can easily go for weight management. So, you can start with 30 minutes of moderate exercise at least 5 days a week. You don't need to do intense workouts to see the benefits. Even walking 5,000 steps daily also counts. You can also try doing yoga 2 to 3 times a week. And just so you know, regular moderate exercise is better than those occasional intense workouts. The key message here is movement is like medicine for your hormones. And try to find what you actually enjoy and you're comfortable with and start doing it today itself with proper consistency. Okay, let's talk about food. But I promise, no extreme diets here. This is all about adding good stuff, not depriving yourself. Recent research shows that your gut microbiome plays a huge role in your hormone regulation, especially for hormones like estrogen and testosterone. For example, you must have heard about Mediterranean diet, which includes only whole foods. It has been proven that this diet can help in reducing excess estrogen and it can also help in improving overall hormone balance. That's really great. So, what you should actually eat? You can have protein at each of your meals, which will help you in stabilizing your blood sugar and insulin. This will keep you full longer and it will also support your hormone production. You can add healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. And try to avoid foods like sugar, refined carbs, processed foods, and of course, excessive alcohol. Also, drink plenty of water because dehydration can affect your hormones function. So, stay hydrated and remember, you are not going on a diet. You are just feeding your hormones what they need to work properly. That's it. I get it. Life is indeed very stressful. But here is the thing. Chronic stress is like a kryptonite for your hormones. When you are stressed, your body pumps out excess cortisol. Now, a little cortisol is good as it can help you in handling different life challenges. But when your stress becomes chronic, your cortisol level stays high all the time, which can over time disrupt your hormone balance. Research consistently shows that managing your stress is very crucial for your hormonal health. And it's not just about feeling calmer. In fact, it has real physiological effect. So, what you can do is you can practice deep breathing exercises. You can try doing meditation or mindfulness. Try to spend some time in the nature. You can try to connect with your loved ones like your friends and families, and you can also do activities that you actually enjoy doing. Now, if you have serious stress or anxiety issues, then please take help from a health professional. There is no shame in asking for support. What's important is managing your stress levels in order to balance your hormones. Here is something that many people don't know. Many products that we use daily contain some chemicals that can disrupt our hormone balance. These are called endocrine disruptors. Research shows that plastics, pesticides, and certain self-care products contain some chemicals that can mess up and can interfere with our hormones function. While we cannot avoid everything, small changes can actually add up. Now, what you should do is choose glass or stainless steel instead of plastic containers. Read labels thoroughly on personal care products. Buy organic products when you can. Filter your water before drinking it, and avoid heating foods in plastic and instead use glass or ceramic. Remember, don't stress about perfection. Every small swap counts. So, start with one or two small changes and build from there. That's it. Alright, let's recap those 5 game-changing lifestyle habits. Prioritize your 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep every single night. Move your body regularly. Eat whole nutritious foods. Manage your stress and reduce environmental toxins. Here is the beautiful truth. You have so much power over your hormonal health. You don't need some expensive supplements or some dramatic interventions. These simple science-based lifestyle changes can literally transform how you actually feel. Your hormones are not the real enemy. These are your body's communication system, and when you support them with proper healthy lifestyle choices, they will support you right back with better energy, mood, sleep, and of course, overall health. Do let me know in the comment section, out of those lifestyle choices, which of them are you going to try in order to balance your hormones naturally. And if you found this video useful, then do like this video and share it with your friends and family so that they can also take care of their hormones in a healthy way. If you want more such videos, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to be updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out and remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.